What's up, guys? Hope everybody's well. Welcome back to another video here at PSB Adventures. Got some exciting news today, believe it or not. It's new bike day here at Titan. Not really, but kinda. It's a 99, so it's definitely old, but it's new to us. So anyway, we're gonna get a battery in this thing. See for the crank, it's been sitting a few months. I believe I drained the carb bowl out, so that's no big deal. So let's see if it'll run, crank on some good gas, and then we'll start making some content on it maybe. But I want to give a good shout out to the guys over at Heomaito Batteries. These guys actually make generators, but they reached out to me and said, hey, we're getting in the motorcycle battery business. Can we send you a battery to check out? So really appreciate those guys for sponsoring this video. This is the YTX7L and this is an AGM. This particular battery that's in it is older, and it's actually for a TW200, and it just ain't quite got enough on. So let's see if this one will throw some power to it and get it cranked over, and then we'll fire it up here. I just want to do a short little video and reveal this awesome new bike to me, and we'll have, like I said, we'll have to do a clutch on it, so I'll do a video on that. But let's get started here, put this battery in that those awesome folks sent us, and see how it does, guys. And we'll, you know, as we go along here, we'll do a review on the battery as well. So I'll put a link below for them. They're not paying me a dime to do this other than giving me a battery. So let's see how it works out. They wanted a good, honest review on it, and that's what we'll do. All right, let's get started here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these 90s style graphics or not. It appears like we got an 8 here for the negative. Let's get that off first. Always take your negative off first. I think that was just some rigging I did to get it cranked back this winter, but I wanted you guys to see it firsthand. All right, let's get this thing unboxed here. Yeah, looks good. And we got a little hardware kit here with it. Fits right in there. And you want to go back with your positive first.
From the coffee family.
Ah, that's weird. All right, it fits good. So let's see if it's gonna spin it over here. Heomaito. All right. Oh yeah, listen to that. Let's see if she'll run. It ain't got no gas in it. It ain't got no gas in it.
You got some of them French fry taters on there? You reckon you got something to eat? Don't you touch that boy.
That's funny.
How long has it been since it's ran?
2 or 3 months. Oh yeah. 13.4. That means it's working good. All right, everybody, I appreciate you riding along. That pretty much sums it up for the video. Shout out to Heomaito for sponsoring this video. They sent this battery to us, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it an A+ rating, man. It spun that thing right over. Seems like it's got good, you know, cold cranking amps, and that's gonna work out really good for us. So, all right, that's all I got, guys. Stay tuned. We got some good trips coming up. just now getting good riding weather, summertime. So we'll probably try to, I'm gonna say around the 4th, if all works out, take a good little ride somewhere pretty far off. The girls are going to the beach and I'm going to the mountains, so stay tuned for that. But leave me a comment down there, and I appreciate you hanging around to the end of the video. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks again.